hesitations begin to fade away. In this place I have freedom, it's here I wish to stay. Thoughts become distant feelings, I'm going with the flow. I'll just sit still now and begin by letting go.
Let's go!
I kept on hearing it. What's cracking, mate?
Welcome back to the channel, guys. What's the plan for today, Trent?
We're going to Wollongong on Australia Day.
Wollongong, it's Australia Day. We're out to send. Got a few of the boys.
We're going to Wollongong.
Is that Supra? Dude, oh my god, dude, that's a Supra, bro. Bro, 2JZ, no shit. So yeah, we're packing out. We're packing the heat on today. I think it's getting up to about 38 or some shit like that.
Oh, it's going to be 39 in the area, so
straight
we're fucking out of here.
Not going to take the old commie because we got the coldies in the back. Out in the Honda. Whole squad, let's get it. How's the water going, bro? Woo! Buddy! I'm walking out. Cheers, mate. how's it going, bro?
Yeah, I'm eating talk.
Hey, had a good time. How you going, guys? Going good time, yeah. Alright guys, it's super fucking hot. We're on our way back to the car. Done this big trek. I made it all the way back to the car and I realised I'd lost the GoPro. So I fucking legged it all the way back and managed to find it where we pretty much started. However, it's on 4%, so we're gonna wrap up the vlog there, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and catch us in the next episode. Fuck me, dude, the sand flicking up on my back. I swear to God, this. Oh my God, it's so hot, so hot. Holy shit. So sorry guys, we'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like and comment, subscribe if you're enjoying the content. And yeah, it was a cracker day down in Windang Beach, I think it's called, down in Wollongong. And yeah, we're just gonna cruise back up, get a feed on the way home and call it a night. So catch you in the next video.